Are you best long bottle cleaning brush? Long bottle cleaning brushes are essential tools for maintaining hygiene in water bottles, wine decanters, thermoses, and other narrow-necked containers. Their ability to reach difficult spots ensures thorough cleaning, making them indispensable for households, cafes, and laboratories. In this comparison, we evaluated 5 popular models based on their design, materials, performance, versatility, and value for money. List: Holikme Bottle Brush Tube Cleaning Lab Set with Long Handle. The Holikme Bottle Brush Tube Cleaning Lab Set offers a comprehensive cleaning solution with 8 brushes tailored for various tasks. The set includes brushes for bottles, straws, spouts, and sports bottles, making it versatile for household and lab use. The 16-inch long brush with wide bristles is particularly effective for cleaning narrow-necked bottles and feeders, while the sponge brush excels at cleaning wide-neck containers. The polypropylene handles are sturdy and ergonomic, ensuring comfort during extended use. Performance-wise, this set excels in versatility, handling everything from delicate glass decanters to stubborn coffee stains on mugs. The bristle quality is durable yet gentle on surfaces, preventing scratches while ensuring thorough cleaning. However, the sheer number of brushes may overwhelm users who only require a few specific tools, and the sponge brush, while effective, may wear out more quickly with heavy use. Overall, this is an excellent choice for users seeking a complete cleaning toolkit. List number: Holikme 6-Pack Bottle Brush Set. The Holikme 6-Pack Bottle Brush Set stands out for its focus on functionality and durability, featuring 2 14-inch bottle brushes with stainless steel handles, 3 straw brushes, and a multifunctional brush. This set caters to a variety of cleaning needs. The nylon bristles are non-scratch, making them ideal for cleaning delicate glass surfaces. The inclusion of a U-shaped rim brush and corner detail brush enhances its versatility, especially for cleaning baby bottles and travel mugs. This set performs exceptionally well for users who frequently clean reusable straws and bottles. The stainless steel handles are robust and rust-resistant, ensuring longevity. The ergonomic rubber grip adds comfort and control, even during intensive scrubbing. However, the set lacks a brush specifically designed for wide-neck containers, limiting its application for certain bottle types. With its dishwasher-safe design and food-grade materials, this set is a reliable option for hygienic cleaning. List: Alen 17-in ExtraLong Bottle Cleaning Brush Cleaner for washing narrow-neck beer, wine, thermos. The Alen 17-inch ExtraLong Bottle Cleaning Brush is a budget-friendly option designed for narrow-neck bottles, thermoses, and feeders. Its standout feature is the 17-inch length, which provides excellent reach for tall containers. The durable yet flexible brush head is ideal for accessing hard-to-clean areas. Made from food-grade stainless steel and PBT bristles, this brush is BPA-free and non-toxic, ensuring safe use for cleaning kitchen items. While affordable, the Alen brush delivers solid performance for basic cleaning tasks. Its wide bristle diameter ensures efficient cleaning, but the lack of additional brushes or specialized tools limits its versatility. The grip handle is comfortable and ergonomic, making it easy to use for extended periods. However, users seeking a multi-brush set or more advanced features may find this model too simplistic. Overall, it's a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who primarily clean narrow-neck bottles. List: 5-Pack Bottle Cleaning Brush Set. The Indok 5-Pack Bottle Cleaning Brush Set offers a well-rounded solution for cleaning various drinkware. The set includes a 15-inch long bottle brush and 3 straw brushes, catering to a wide range of cleaning needs. Made from BPA-free polypropylene, the brushes are safe and hygienic. The non-slip rubber handle provides a secure grip, ensuring comfort during use. A round brush head is designed to clean every nook and cranny of bottles and mugs effectively. This set performs well for everyday cleaning tasks, particularly for users who regularly clean sports bottles, coffee mugs, and baby bottles. The flexible bristles adapt to different surfaces without scratching, and the hanging holes on the handles allow for convenient storage. However, the brush set lacks specialized tools for narrow spouts or wide neck containers. limiting its versatility. The affordable price point makes it a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers seeking reliable performance. List 9. Water Bottle Brush. The Hamuta Water Bottle Brush is a premium model designed for versatility and durability. Featuring a 15-inch stainless steel handle, this brush is rust-resistant and built to last. The food-grade nylon bristles clean effectively without scratching surfaces, making it suitable for glass, ceramic, and other delicate materials. The long handle allows for deep cleaning of tall or narrow bottles, while the hanging hole ensures convenient storage. This brush delivers exceptional cleaning performance for a range of items, including wine decanters, coffee pots, and thermoses. The stainless steel handle provides excellent control and flexibility, reaching every corner with ease. However, the brush is limited to a single piece, which may not appeal to users seeking a multi-brush set. At $19.99, it's ideal for buyers prioritizing quality and durability over quantity.